We all know that people have different opinions and think differently. Let's face it, if everyone was the same, the world would be boring and people wouldn't grow. But these differences mean that sometimes people will inevitably disagree, and that's okay. It's okay to disagree, it's okay to argue, it's okay to agree to disagree. That just doesn't work, so when I feel that my emotions are getting too high, I stop for a moment to take a couple of deep breaths. I then take a sip of some water or other beverage to give myself time to think. In this way, I can focus on the context, the background, and the rationale behind what's being said. If necessary, I ask for clarification and further information, so that I can fully understand the thoughts behind what I'm hearing. This allows me to see where the other person is coming from, as people come from all walks of life and their opinions, like my own, have been shaped by age, infirmity, education levels, religion, race, and a host of other things. This isn't to say we'll magically agree on the issue. Some topics hit so close to home with people that too big of a compromise would be out of character, but taking that moment to slow down and consider where the other party might be coming from is vital to keeping my emotions from clouding my judgment and potentially losing a family member, friend, or career due to a temporary lapse in judgment. Remember, anyone and everyone can lose their temper and say whatever comes to mind. Discipline requires that you do the opposite and think before you speak.